Hello everyone. Today I would like to share with you a very interesting topic which is the electric vehicles. So when I talk about electric vehicles, what kind of electric vehicles brand come across your mind? Tesla, BYD or the Mercedes? Either way, the electric vehicles have four main types of it. So the first one is the BEV, also known as battery electric vehicles. It has a built-in rechargeable battery on the vehicle itself and is fully powered up by the electricity. The next one is known as the plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, PHEV. PHEV use both the electric motors and the ICE, known as the internal combustion engine. These two can be used interchangeably based on the consumer's decision. As for the third vehicles, is known as the hybrid electric vehicles, which is quite similar to the PHEV that I mentioned just now. The only difference is that the battery can only be recharged either by using the regenerative braking mechanism or the engine itself. It cannot be being recharged by using the external source. The fourth one is the FCEV, also known as fuel cell electric vehicles. FCEV use the fuel cell and hydrogen gas to generate electricity that is used to power up the electric motors. Next, how does the electric vehicles work? Before we further discuss it, I would like to go through three main components. The first one is its main power source, which as for the case of the electric vehicles, the lithium-ion battery pack is being used to store the electrical energy and supply it to the motor. How does it supply it to the motor? It's being supplied by using a component that is called the BEC, also known as the power electronic controller. You can think of it as the brain of the electric vehicles, as it regulates and controls the total amount of electricity being supplied to the electric motor. The motor itself, its purpose is to convert the electrical energy to the mechanical energy, which, unlike the gasoline engine, is able to provide immediate torque. Because of that, it have its characteristic higher acceleration. What is the main advantages of the electric vehicles? Well, first and foremost, it's much more economic friendly. Although the electric vehicle has a higher upfront cost, we cannot deny that it can be offset by using its fuel, as the electricity is generally much more cheaper than the gasoline. Besides that, it also has fewer moving parts, which led to a lower maintenance cost and reduce the rate of wear and tear. It is also much more environment friendly because it has lower carbon emission and led to lower carbon footprint. It also can reduce the noise pollution as it's generally quiet when being operated. Because of its advantages, let's join this technological revolution to create a much more sustainable future for our younger generation. That's all from me. Thank you.